Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Blockman Go and the Panda Touch Pro add-on, then grant microphone and touch permissions so input is captured. Once done, open the plugin manager and load a preset control layout. This gives you consistent mappings. Make sure to create or load an avatar profile to store gestures and sensitivity. This avoids repeating calibration. By starting with these steps, you ensure responsive controls and reduce lag when you begin mapping advanced gestures. Now you map the core actions. Bind, jump, attack, and interact to Panda Touch buttons 1 through 4 so inputs are immediate. Next, calibrate swipe sensitivity, start at 0. 5 and increase to 1. 5 while testing in a non-competitive area. This balances speed versus accidental triggers. Then create macros for common combos, setting cooldown delays and repeat limits to avoid spam. Once configured, run through the movements slowly to confirm timing and make incremental tweaks for smoother execution. Finish by fine-tuning dead zones, vibration feedback, and saving multiple profiles for different game modes. This gives you quick switching options. Then test in real matches to validate responsiveness under load, and if something feels off, compare recordings against a stable profile to pinpoint differences. If inputs fail or drift, restart the app, reauthorize permissions, and clear the cache to reset the plugin state. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly and makes sure your control mapping stays reliable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.